All right, guys, welcome to week 25. We are going to be looking at the forecast on GBpusd this week. I believe you guys have been enjoying our forecast and weekly analysis, looking at the market on GBpusd. Last week, which was week 24, we were able to project a long on GU. And as you can see on my chart, we had a massive run on the first week of which is the previous week. We had a massive run to the upside. This is weekly candle that you can see right on my chart. Now we can see that there was a massive push to the upside. Now I am Trader C Brown. I want to thank every one of you for participating and joining us on our YouTube channel, Telegram channel. Listen, if you're new to trading, this is one of the platforms that you want to subscribe to. Join the Telegram group, join the Instagram, join the YouTube, subscribe. Listen, why? Because we're going to be giving you information that will help you to learn how to trade effectively as a beginner. Of course, you might even have access to our free indicator. Free at the moment, but you know what? If you get to join us quickly, you might be having access to that indicator to help you understand the market quickly and then begin to trade. But at the moment, I'm teaching you price action analysis, looking at the chart. Right here, you can see that the market has been creating a new higher highs and higher lows on the weekly time frame. So that means we are on the uptrend. So that's why we're looking at the uptrend to buy. So throughout last week, we smashed the market just by buying and buying and buying. And this week, what are we expecting to do? So that's why you're watching. And this is the disclaimer. Listen, this channel is for educational and training purpose. I'm not intending to tell you how to trade, but you know what? I'm not telling you again what to risk. It's up to you what you risk on your trade and how you trade. But the reality is, ensure that you are risking what you can afford to lose. And for those of you out there who have fallen a victim of scammers, who are using my name, my IDs, and also my information out there to start, gathering people from the internet and showing and robbing them of their hard-earned money, stay away from that. Be very careful, because I do not do account management. I do not do crypto investment. I do not do any of that on my channel. So if you are in a channel where those people are telling you to invest, bring your money, we'll trade for you and all of that stuff, get away from that, because at the end of the day, you are not dealing with me. You are dealing with a scammer right there. So be very careful. So the right position to take is to join the group that is official group. The link is in the description below of this video, and then you can find us there. It's the Telegram group, the link is there, and also our YouTube channel. This is it. You subscribe. That's the only way, the only two places you can actually stay on at the moment, and you will find me there. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's go over to the screen while we begin to look at the charts. I am on GU right now, and I'm looking at what the market holds for us. Now, the first thing I want to do is to look at it from the higher time frame, which is the weekly. The possible movement that we can see in the market will be on this previous high that was created. So I'm expecting price to come to the high. And if price break that high, I'll be expecting price to come to this high. If price break that high, you got it, you got the idea. So I'll be expecting price to come to this high, because here is the liquidity level. I'm expecting price to come to this high next. Okay, now I'm seeing a liquidity gap, which is over here. There will be a massive liquidity gap in the future if price come over here. But at the moment, we are dealing around this level. So if we look at where prices are, and we were to expect a push to the upside in this week, all right, in this week 25, we should be looking at a more push to the upside of about 200 pips. So the market still have about 200 pips to the upside. So within 14 days, within 1 week or two, we should be able to smash that head up. Trust me, we should be able to smash it up. So let me just show you what I'm looking at. So right here, we can see that the market has created the low at this level. Okay, we're expecting that There's a low there. And then we saw the market created to the left, created another, all right, created the support level, which it broke. So now what I'm expecting is probably there might be on the lower time frame a little pullback. Now, if I measure from where price is at now, that's a weekly candle, and then to this level, that's about 160, 70 pips to that particular resistance that now will now become a support. It broke through that resistance, it's coming back into that support. Hopefully it will, but we're not sure yet. Now, the best thing we want to look at is to go to the daily time frame to actually see what the market has done. Now, the flag that you're seeing there is my indicator telling me confirmations of the higher time that the price is still moving up. So if I got this green, it means that the market is still going to go higher and higher according to the market. But I just want you to see this on the 4-hour time frame right here. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we see that there is still a lot of gap. I mean, daily time frame, sorry. We're still a lot of gap to this zone, and possibly we might see a pullback after that. But I'm not going to give you, I'm not sure about that 100%. So let me just show you exactly how I'm seeing this as I zoom in. Great. Now, what you see is that there is a lot of there's an imbalance that the market has created. Possibly price may react to that imbalance or to the other block that you see there, where you have this price action or around this key level, and then we should be expecting a retracement or a pullback of this bullish momentum. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame to look at this. Let me just take out the session break. All right, so now we can obviously see that price is going to get to 1.3 thousand. Okay, 1.30 thousand. That's 1.30 thousand around this level, or price may get to 1.29 thousand. But already we can see that price is already creating a pullback. You can see that on the 4-hour time frame, you can see a pullback. So if this pullback should happen, definitely we're looking at a part of the trade that might eventually come into maybe worst case scenario. We should expect price to drop to this key level, or price coming back to test this support that was created on the 4-hour time frame before heading back up. But altogether, we are still looking at a bullish momentum. So what I'm going to do is to create a new high here on the 4-hour time frame, okay, which you're looking at. So we have a new high there on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to be expecting price to do two things. First, to break above this high, continue to buy, or pull back into the zone, create a price action, a kind of rejection, and then head back up. So what I'm expecting could be something like this nature. I'm expecting price coming back here and then reject and then head back up to break this high. So if we pull back, I'm going to be waiting for a buy. If it pulls a bit lower, I'm still going to wait for a buy. If it pulls a bit lower, I'm going to wait for a buy. So within this zone, I'm going to be buying because there's no need for, I could do a scalping sell. There could be a scalping sell, but depending on what the market is giving me. But at the moment, I'm not going to sell around this level until I see price action at that particular resistance support level here. Okay, I want to see that price react to that support level, which is a reasonable pullback into the zone, and I wait for price action, then I'll buy. So I'm going to look out for that. Now, if price doesn't come down there and start heading up, I'll wait for price to break this high, pull back, then I'll buy again. Why? Because the trend tells us that it's uptrend. So we're going to be looking at that. But the two major areas you want to focus on, this high and this high. So this is a simple a forecast for the week. I'm looking at possibly more to the upside because we already see that the market is trending up, breaking all the previous lower high structures, and then it's heading up massively. So possibly a pullback may happen a little bit or even a little bit lower, and then we push up. Now, remember, this is the 4-hour time frame that we're looking at this. So that means the pullback may eventually take place in the 4-hour time frame, but necessarily will not affect the daily or weekly bullish momentum that we saw. So let's look at the 1-hour time frame and see how we conclude on this. As you can see, the 1-hour time frame on the market right now, let me show you something here. I just created a new top, a new body resistance there, right there. And now we have that area of a kind of liquidity. And then the market has also created another area of support here, which is obviously you need to look at price breaking through those areas on the lower time frame. So like, assuming you are scalping this market and you want to trade it, you wait for price to break below this low, and then you can actually catch another move of about 30 or 40 pips to the downside. Hopefully price break that again and then take more into the zone. But if you want to really sell this market, all I will want you to do is wait for this price to do this. Come all the way, give you 40 pips. You can sell it from there to the 40 pips, but this is the real deal of selling. You want to sell? I will take this range, this massive range here for my sell trade. So I'll be waiting for that. But otherwise, as far as the market is concerned, like I said, we've already done from top-down analysis. We are looking for more buys, but there is room for opportunity to sell only if the supports are broken. Only if the supports are broken. So go on your chart and mark out the supports on the 4-hour and on the 1-hour time frame. Look at those areas. If price react to them without breaking, get ready to buy the market. But if price with momentum break through them and use them as a resistance, from support to resistance, all you need to do is to start looking for opportunity to cash more sales to the next support, I hope you understand. So with that, you'll be able to create opportunity for yourself to trade the market. But give or take on this, you look forward to the bullish momentum because it is still very bullish. All right. That's what I want you to pay attention to. I think you understand already. You can actually put the 1-hour trend line there as well to give you a confirmation of when the price is going to pull back into it. So we can have a reasonable pullback into this trend line like this, and then we can have a push back up to the upside. That can happen. So I'm expecting this kind of trade to happen. So if price do this, I may not be able to sell this market right away, but I'll wait for price to get to the zone, and I'm going to start buying. I'm buying massively. So that's what I'm looking at on GU. I hope you guys understand this. Let's look at the fundamentals quickly for the next week. Let's see what we have on the fundamentals for next week. Now, this is the calendar we're looking at for next week. And I want to, this is starting from on the 18th, okay, to this 18th. So, yeah, on Monday, we have no issues. There's no trade on Monday, no fundamentals. On Tuesday, not too much. On Wednesday, a bit of, yeah, CPI coming on GBP. Then also we have Fed Chair Powell is speaking, so it might be a kind of a news report. We'll obviously pay attention to that. A little bit of, yeah. Then on Thursday we have a lot of GBP news and USD news. So guys, get ready for this market. We want to see what will happen on by 12 p.m. and also 9 a.m. We also have 1:30 p.m. So on Thursday, the market is going to be really busy. Get ready for that. Then on Friday, again, the market is going to be really busy. Get ready for that as well. So these are the news that we have for the week. So yeah, let's put our hands together and enjoy the market that will give us peeps and peeps and peeps and peeps. I'm expecting more peeps. All right, so this is what I'm looking at right now. Okay. If you have any question, guys, you know where to meet me, you know where to hit me up on the Telegram group or on just leave a comment in the comment section. I will get back to you on that. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this forecast of week 25, and I'll see you on the next video, which is Euro USD. For those of you that trade Euro USD, and I'll see you on that video. Bye for now.